Hey, hello everyone. How are you today? My dear friends, my dear listeners, my dear subscribers all around the world. I remain myself Adetokunbo Mike from the Genius FS. This is an update uh, from the strategy I posted yesterday, which I call ADX, CCI, and Ichimoku mobile strategy. As you can see, here is our entry yesterday around 12 noon yesterday. We pulled this trigger, and then we are already running in profit of 107 using the smallest lot size. As you can see, we use the 0.01, okay, in 4 places. And here we are today. The market has already moved 260 pips, okay. We entered this market from 15-minute time frame. Like I told you, as you can see, let me show you 15-minute time frame. Here is a 15-minute time frame. We entered this trade from 15-minute time frame when we discover that price action has crossed the envelope. Here is our envelope, the one in blue. Price action has already crossed the envelope, okay. We waited around this place, and then when it retests to the black line that we call alligator and then pull back up, this is where our entry is, okay. And we initially put our stop loss at the back of this envelope, guys. So now we realize that there is crossover here, okay. And then also CCI line has already crossed the boundary. Let me call it the boundary, okay, the level 50 and then level 30, as you can see, towards uptrend. So which means direction is already in uptrend. And as you can see already, Ichimoku also crossed. We have a lot of confirmation that this market is moving towards up, because there is separation between ADX line, the red line, and then the green line, guys. Here is it on 1 hour time frame. Look at it on 1 hour time frame. As you can see, ADX is already departing themselves. The red line is getting downward, and then the green line is going upward already. As you can see now CCI line is heading towards the boundary, okay. It's heading towards the boundary. That is to say, there is no signal yet on 1 hour, but it is preparing for signal. As you can see, our parabolic star is about to be touched, but black line, which we call alligator, and then it has already crossed the red, is going through to cross the green, okay. Once price action cross hit this parabolic star, okay, and then once price action cross this envelope, okay, and then we are going to be looking for Ichimoku, the red line, to cross this green line. That is when the confirmation occur at the 1 hour level. But at the 30-minute level, as you can see, the CCI line is already crossing the boundary. It's already crossing the boundary, as you can see. Then ADS has already crossed each other. The green line has already crossed the red line towards uptrend. As you can see, the line has already departing already, and then as you can see around there, Ichimoku has crossed each other. The red line has crossed the green line. The price action has already crossed the envelope, and then the black line alligator has already crossed the envelope as well. So we will now look at 15 minutes. Then as we can see, the signal has already happened at 15 minutes. Then we pull the trigger immediately, and we put our stop loss at the back from this place. As you can see now, we're already running in profit, but we have already locked our profit. We lock our profit at 26.00. Now here is the result. As far as I'm concerned, they always said that seeing is believing. Today, this is an update on the strategy which I call ADS line, okay, AIC line mobile strategy, AIC line mobile strategy, okay. Thank you for listening. Please share to others to benefit. We use alligator, Ichimoku, 2 parabolic star envelope. Then we use ADS, that is average directional movement index. Then at the indicator window 2, we use commodity channel index. Thanks for listening. God bless you. If you need this strategy, please contact me on my WhatsApp, because I hide it for a purpose. God bless you.